Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Style with Niberita. I am back again with another haul video and I'm here again with another full sleeve top haul. And मैंने recently बहुत सारे full sleeve tops के haul बनाए थे and I'm here again with some more and all the tops are from Meesho and all are under 500. So अभी ज़्यादा बात नहीं करते हैं and let's start the haul. The first one is this maroon top. This top is giving me so much of a cute Pinteresty vibe. I can definitely style this top in many cute ways. That's why I got this top. And it's a maroon color. It's a full sleeves. It's of regular length. The neck is square neck and from back it's fully covered. So that I really like the top. And we have four white color bows, small bows in the middle of the top in a straight line. And it's giving so cute Pinteresty vibe as I've already said. The fabric is cotton blend fabric and it's very soft and comfortable to wear. I just loved it and it's giving a good fitting, not that great perfect fitting I would say, but it's giving a good fitting. The sizes available are from extra small to double XL. I got extra small size and yeah, it's fitting me like in a good way. And the price of this is 213 and with discount I got at 200. So 200 is like perfect for this top because 200 में कहाँ मिलता है top, but this top I got in 200 and it's so cute and Pinteresty and I can definitely style it in many ways and yeah, I just love the top. The next one is this peach color top. This top is also giving me a Pinteresty vibe, a cute Pinteresty vibe. I can style this top also in many ways. I just love this top. This top is also full sleeves. The neck is square neck. The length is regular length, and this fabric, the fabric of this top is also cotton blend fabric. You can say it's the same top like the previous one, the one that I showed now, बट वहाँ पे मुझे बोस दिए गए हैं बट दिस टॉप इज सिंपल. वी डोंट हैव एनी स्टाइल और समथिंग इन द टॉप. तो सेम फैब्रिक का ही है दोनों टॉप एंड दिस टॉप इज ऑल्सो सेम लाइक लाइट एंड कंफर्टेबल टू वेयर. आई जस्ट लव इट एंड फ्रॉम बैक दिस टॉप इज ऑल्सो फुल्ली कवर्ड. सो सेम टॉप ही है, बस वहाँ पे बोस लगे हुए हैं एंड दिस टॉप इज सिंपल. And the sizes available for this top is small and medium only, S and M, and I got small size and that's why it's little bit loose for me. Sorry, it's loose for me. And the price of this is 277 and with discount I got it 254. So 254 is so perfect for this top I would say because simple hai and I can definitely style it in so many ways. So I just love this top also. The next top is this red top. This is giving me more of a like a casual vibe. I can style it in casual ways, sorry, obviously. And it's full sleeves, it's of regular length, it's v-neck, we have a collar and yeah, it's good. But the thing is मुझे pictures में ये top crop दिखाया गया था till my waist and ये regular length का आया. So I'm disappointed with that. And second thing is मुझे fitting इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा. I ordered extra small size. The sizes available were from extra small to XL. I ordered extra small size and साइज सही आया बट फिटिंग इतना अच्छा नहीं रहा. यू कैन सी हैंड्स भी थोड़ा सा लूज टाइप है, सो नॉट दैट ग्रेट फिटिंग. इफ आई हैव टू टॉक अबाउट द फैब्रिक इज कॉटन ब्लैंड फैब्रिक. या इट्स वेरी सॉफ्ट एंड कंफर्टेबल. द टॉप इज वेरी लाइट वेट. सो बहुत कंफर्टेबल फील कर रही हूँ मैं. बट साइज फिटिंग से मुझे प्रॉब्लम था एंड लेंथ से मुझे प्रॉब्लम है बिकॉज आई थॉट द टॉप टू बी क्रॉप top, but it came regular length, which is also okay. I can style it in casual ways. The price of this top is 244 and with discount I got it 215. So according to the price the top is okay. कि एक casual way में हम लोग कहीं पे जाएं शॉपिंग वगैरह भी तो हम लोग इसको अच्छे से स्टाइल कर सकते हैं. बट मैंने कुछ अलग सोचा था जो अलग आया तो आई एम लिटिल डिसअपॉइंटेड बट ओके. Next one is this top. This one black in color. This top is giving me very stylish look. I can style this top in different ways. I just loved it. It's a off shoulder top and it's of regular length. The sleeves here are full sleeves and the body part is pleated type, so it's giving a very great look. If I have to talk about the body part fitting is good, but the hands are loose for me. The size that I got is small because the sizes available were from small to XL. I got small size, that's why the hands part it's not fitting me so perfectly. I didn't like the fitting. The fabric is polyester fabric and yeah, it's soft and comfortable, but I'm not feeling that great comfort in the shoulder type also, it's like too much fitting, but the hands are loose, so it's not giving that of a great fitting, you can say. And the price of this is 339, and with discount I got it 300. According to the price it's okay, but just the hands are a little loose for me, that's why I didn't like. बाकी मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लुक दे रहे थे इन द शोल्डर पार्ट, आई जस्ट लुक दैट, सॉरी आई जस्ट लव दैट पार्ट, बट हैंड्स थोड़ा सा लूज है, वही मैं डिसअपॉइंट हूँ. The next top is this black full sleeve top, and this top is giving me very stylish vibe also, and also very, you know, casual vibe. I can style it in both ways. It's a full sleeve top, and we have little ruffle type in the end of the hands and in the end of the top, and we have little very small white color, you know, border in the end of the top and end of the hands, and we also have, you know, white color border in the neck part, but it's little big, and the neck is square neck, and it's a crop top, and it's fitting me very good in the body part, but yes, hands इसका भी थोड़ा सा लूज हो रहा है मेरे लिए. आई ऑर्डर्ड दिस इज ऑफ स्मॉल साइज बिकॉज द साइजेस अवेलेबल वे फ्रॉम स्मॉल टू XL, सो स्मॉल ऑब्वियसली मेरे लिए नहीं होता है, सो थोड़ा सा लूज आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड, ओके, बट बॉडी इज फिटिंग मी परफेक्टली, बस थोड़ा सा हैंड्स में लूज हो रहा है. एंड इट्स ऑफ कॉटन फैब्रिक, एंड दिस टॉप इज ऑल्सो वेरी लाइट वेट, इट्स वेरी सॉफ्ट एंड comfortable. I'm feeling very comfortable to wear it. The price of this top is 198, and with discount I got it 168. कैन यू बिलीव 168 में मुझे ये ब्यूटीफुल टॉप मिला जो इतना यू नो स्टाइलिश है. आई कैन स्टाइल इट इन डिफरेंट वेज, एंड यू नो शॉपिंग वगैरह भी हो, कुछ भी ऑफिस वगैरह, यू नो कॉलेज वगैरह में भी स्टाइल करके जा सकती हो. एंड आई गॉट इट 168. आई एम लाइक वाओ. सो आई थिंक you should really get this top for your regular uses also, and if you can also style it in different ways with different bottoms, so you can definitely go for this top. So these were some full sleeves top that I got this time. If you like any of the top, I'll give the codes in the description, you can take from there. And अगर आपको haul videos पसंद है then do subscribe my channel because I'll be coming with more and more haul videos. And अगर आपको ये video पसंद आया then do like my video and comment on it, and do subscribe my channel. And with this I come to the end of the video, so bye bye guys, bye bye.